Replacement paddle for a Buyer's salt spreader. Brought to you by Better Ideas.
Spot bracking.
Okay. And now we're going to videotape you putting it on.
No.
Yes, very easy steps. Don't be afraid. This is a good repair for someone who's got a slightly rusted shaft. This allows for you to use the existing motor. Upside down, Bob. Upside down, Bob.
Uh-oh, now my name's out there.
Right side up, Bob. Oh, there we go. And you can see it easily fits.
Hold on.
The slight tapping of a hammer. Very good.
It's always par for the course, you know.
There we go, right side up.
There we go. Got a 7/16.
Of course.
My vice grips on your seatbelt. All right, 7/16.
Okay.
Break time.
Break time. All right.
I don't think that's gonna.
Well, apparently somebody didn't use a tape measure. Huh? Somebody made a major assumption. You took my word for it. I said, you have a piece, you can measure it.
I can only measure an inch on that.
And you've got the right size. What are you worried about?
It's not an inch, no.
It's not?
No, it's like an inch and an eighth.
Yeah, well, that's okay. Who cares? Right.
Well, that's pretty shoddy work.
Bigger is probably, in this case, always better because, guess what? It would overlap if it was bigger. Here we go.
Thanks.
Here you go.
Oh, my hands are full.
They're full. You're kidding me. They're full. What do you mean they're full? Now, that fits right over this thing perfect right there. It's just not tight yet.
Give up one of my lock nuts.
Yeah, I think I can afford to give you one. One side fits, the other side doesn't. It's kind of funny, but that's alright.
Because it's big around. Maybe we should have cleaned off the rust.
Yeah, I think we should have cleaned off the rust. Look, right here, this one fits perfect, see? So this means rust, Bob. Well, it's going to wiggle wobble.
Go that much closer.
Right. Okay, so it's repaired. Okay, so how much you want for these things? We'll put it on the internet.
Oh,
What? $29.95? $39.95?
Oh, each one is going to be different.
No, they're all going to be for that model.
Oh, I'm going to put this in the fridge.
Oh.
I don't know, Jeff. We don't want to go too cheap.
All right.
That big word's like custom.
Yep.